हेलो किड्स, आज हम नंबर्स 1 से 10 तक सीखेंगे विद टिंकू पपी।
This is number 1.
One apple. What the chuck day?
Bolo kids. 1. This is number 2. 1, 2 balls. Bolo kids. 2 ba. This is number 3. 1, 2, 3 balloons. Say 3.
This is number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 stars. Say 4.
This is number 5. 1 to 5. 5 candies. Say 5.
This is number 6.
1 to 6. 6 butterflies.
Say 6.
This is number 7. 1 to 7. 7 ones. Yay! Say 7.
This is number 8. 1 to 8. 8 fish. Say 8.
This is number 9. 1 to 9. 9 flowers. Say 9.
This is number 10. 1 to 10. 10 balloons. Say 10. Great job.
Great job, kids. See you next time.
Bye-bye.